Hey everyone, welcome back. So today in this video, I will show you how you can create a single page low content book that you can publish on your Amazon Kindle store. You don't need to work hard and without paying anything. Step by step tutorial to create a low content book. After watching this video, if you are a beginner and don't know how to publish your book on KDP, this is a video I will show you how you can select a niche, how to create a no content book, how to sign up Amazon Kindle, how to publish your book on Amazon Kindle. In below description, I add this link guys, please check it out. First, we need to know the dimension of our book and book cover. I use this website called BookCow. Scroll down below, you will notice this image KDP cover template image. Here, we need to add a book size. First, my book width is 6 and my book height is 9. And scroll down below, in this section, you need to add how many page you can create and just to leave this something. And below, you need to add your email address 2 times and check this box and click the email cover template. Let me open my inbox. This is a mail from BookCow. They attach a file in zip format. Download and extract it, guys. This is my book KDP book dimension. My dimension book is 6 into 9 inch and the spin width of my book is 0.27 inch. Yes, the center of the book portion is called as spin width. In your left side, you will see some instruction. It will help you to create an book. So let's move to the and today I am going to show you how to create an address and contact book like this guys. So don't skip any part of this video. I'll share my mobile screen record because it will be easier for us when we use this Canva in a handset than we use in it a laptop or website. Guys, let's get started. Now I open my Canva app. Now we come to the main page of the app. Here you will find thousands of free ready-made template guys, and going first we need to click the below plus icon and where we going to do custom dimension and going to the change the measurement unit pixel to inches. Now we need to put the width and height. So my book width is 6.125 and the height is 9.250. I think you know how I calculate this paper because we need to some space in top of the page we put 0.125 and bottom of the page 0.2125. In any vertical side we add 0.250. Click create new design guys. Our blank space will be created. Now first we create a name bar. So I add a square element. If you cannot find the square element, use the search option to find. Now I select and move to the top. I just do the square option. I just drag to the top of the page. I just adjust this guys. Just wait, I adjust the element. Once you fix the correct size and width, let's time to change the color. Now I change the color of my element. I select pink color and I reduce the transparency level into 30 or below 30. Don't add more contrast colors. So light color is very good. Oh, I change the my name bar position. Just wait. Yeah, it's okay. Now add the name text. Select the plus icon and add new text. Just click the text and erase the old text. Write name. Yeah. If you want to change the font using this below option, now I change the font in Josephine bold rectangular. Sorry, Josephine sans rectangular. I change my font guys. Let's look at this. And you can use this option to adjust the size of the text. Use color option to change the color you want. Now I don't change the colors and sizes. I just adjust the size of the text and move to the place on the rectangular element. A lot of customization option is here. Try it. I placed the text on left side of the name bar. Just wait. Yeah, it's done. Now we add a contact space. So go to the element, add a line. Now we change the thickness guys. I just select this line. Now we change the thickness of the line. Set the thickness level into 1 pixel. After change, place it the line below the name bar and give small space on the left side because we add a contact element and reduce the size of the line half of the page. Just wait, I just reduce the line. Yeah, it's good. Now I duplicate the line and paste it on right side. This is a email space guys. Put some space in the middle portion because we add a email element and again duplicate the line. I just duplicate it. Increase the line size. in this line for adding a address detail, so give some large size. I just and again copy this same line guys, I just drag in below. Yeah, we add a all lines. Now we add a small little elements for people know what the line purpose. So I add the contact element and change the color into black and just reduce the size. Just move to the left side on the first line. I I paste it guys. Now we next we add a email element. As usually, click the plus icon to search email to find the email element. Okay, now add a email element and as usually adjust the size and place it on the center portion. I just okay, it's fixed guys. Now next add a home icon for address. Now I change this. If you don't find a home element, just use search box to find it. I just write a home and yeah, I select this element. It's look nice. Yeah, I don't change the color because it is in black color. I just move to the second line of the address. I just reduce the size. You can change the color, change the size, whatever you want guys. Now I fixed it. Okay guys, now all the work are finished. We can do only copy and paste method. Now we merge all this element into a single element. Just long press any of the one and select one by one. After select guys, I just wait, I select one by one. You can see how I do. Yeah, now I selected all. In below you will see the group option. Click group to merge all the element in a single element. Just click the element and copied it. Yeah, now I dragged move. Sorry, I moved below in the first one and again I duplicate this one and again I duplicate this one. Guys, after placing this all, we need to change the color of the name bars. So now I click the second name bar and change the color into light green. And I change the third one color into light red. And again change the final one into light yellow. Okay guys, our address and contact book has been created. Now we duplicate this page for 30 times because the free version of Canva allow only download 30 pages at a time. You can save this project in PDF format, click the download and change the format into PDF. Just look like this guys, you will see how I create this within 10 minutes. And click the download option, click the save as option. Oh, click the save as option and change the format of your PNG guys, PDF print. You can save as an image in PDF format and click download to save your PDF. Wow, now our book has been created. It take little bit time guys for downloading. We wait. Yeah, my book has been successfully saved. Let me open the book guys. Just wait. I just open my file. Go to Canva. Yeah, this is my PDF guys. Just look this. My book has been created successfully. Yeah, it's look pretty good, very colorful and neatness. After finishing all of your work, you need to concentrate a book design because book design is an important role of your sale. Let I open my Canva app again. Click the plus icon, click the custom size. Add your width guys. My book width is 6 plus 6 plus spin width is 0.27. So total overall 12.27 and my height is 9. Let I change the format of my book pixel into inches. Sorry, just wait. I just change this one. Yeah. Create a click create a new design guys. Now our blank space will be created. You can use template option to choose a ready-made template. A lot of free template is here guys. I already choose something. You can see a thousands of free template is available. You can some of the template are paid version. So I already select something. Yeah, this is my template guys. Now we upload our book cover images. Just wait. Sorry, first we add a rectangular element and reduce the width and place it on the center of the page, guys. I just paste the center and drag. Now we upload our book dimension image here. Click plus icon and select the upload option to upload your book dimension image. I uploaded, guys. Just place it on the left side on the corner to and drag it full screen. Yeah, just where I change the position level. Please wait, guys. Yeah, now we add a spin with text. Click the plus icon to add a new text, guys. If you want to write a spin anything, write your spin with. Just like I write my address book. I write it, guys. Let I change the direction and reduce the size. We need to add a text in the white position only. Just wait, guys. Yeah, I add my spin with text. Next, I erase this image. Yeah, now our book cover has been successfully created. Oh, just wait, I just copied and I add a welcome text in my front page of the book, guys. I just erase this one, add welcome, and I change the color into white. Yeah, it's good. And I paste it on. Yeah, and I paste it my text into above, guys. Let's see, my book cover has been successfully created, guys. And I hope, guys, this video is helpful for you. If you don't know how you can make money from online, subscribe to my channel. I will share with you everything.